Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at third semester. We will discuss the topic educational management, educational measurements and evolution. Measurement defined process of quantifying individuals' achievements, personality, attitudes, habits, and skills. Qualification appraisals of observable phenomena and process of assigning samples to dimensions of phenomena. An operation performed on the physical world by an observers and process by which transformation about the attributes or characteristics of things are determined and differentiated according to measurements. And evolution defined qualitative aspects of determining the outcomes of learning, process of ranking with respects to attributes or traits, and appraising the extent of learning, judging effectiveness of educational experience, and interpreting and analyzing change in behavior, describing accurately a quantity and a quality of things. Next point, summing up result of measurements or tests, giving meaning based on value judgments. Okay, testing, a technique of obtaining information needed for evaluation purpose. Tests, quizzes, measuring instruments are devices used to obtain such information. Function of measurements: firstly, instructional. Principle: to determine what knowledge, skills, abilities, habits, and attitudes have been acquired, and to determine what progress or extent of learning attains, to determine strength, weakness, difficulties, and needs of students. Second points, secondary, to help in study habits formation and to develop the effort making capacity of students, and to serve as aid for guidance, counseling, and prognosis. Administrative or supervisory, to maintain standards and to classify or select for special purpose, to determine teacher efficiency and standards of instructions, to serve as basis or guide for curriculum making and developing, and to serve as guide in educational planning of administrators and supervisors, to set up norms of performance, to inform parents of their children's progress in school, and to serve as basic for research. Function of evaluation: evaluation assess or make appraisal of evaluation's objectives, programs, curricula, instructional materials, facilities, teachers, learners, public relations of the school, and achievement score of the learners. Next, second, evaluation conducts research, and principles of evaluation: evaluation should be based on clearly stated objectives. Second, comprehensive. Next, cooperatives, third principles cooperatives, and fourth use judiciously. Next, continuous and integral part of teaching learning process. Types of evaluations used in classroom instructions. Firstly, diagnostic evaluations detects pupils learning difficulties which somehow are not revealed by formative test. It is more comprehensive and specific. Second, formative evaluation, it provides feedback regarding the student's performance in attaining instructional objectives. It identifies learning errors that needed to be corrected, and it provides information to make instruction more effective. Next points, placement evaluation, it defines students entry behaviors. It determines knowledge and skills he possesses which are necessary at the beginning of instructions. Next points, summative evaluations, it determines the extent to which objectives of instruction have been attained and is used for assigning grades or marks and to provides feedback to students. Qualities of a good measuring instructions: validity, reliability, usability. Okay, next, validity can be divided in following category: content validity, face validity, or logically validity used in evaluating achievements test. Concurrent validity, test agrees with or correlates with the criterions. Predictive validity, degree of accuracy of how test predicts the level of performance in activity which it intends to foretells. Constructive validity, agreement of the test with the theoretical constructs or traits. Let's have a problem situation seen the slides. Reliability methods of estimating reliability. Firstly, test retest methods. Second, parallel forms or alternate forms. Next, split hop methods. Next, internal consistency methods. Next, scorer reliability methods are the sum of the reliability methods of estimating tests. Classification of tests according to manners of response: oral and written test. According to methods of preparation: subjective, essay and objective tests. According to nature of answers: intelligence test, personality test, attitude test, diagnostic test, achievement test, preference test and placement test, etc. Classification of measuring instruments: standard tests, psychological tests is known as intelligence test, aptitude test, personality test, vocational test and professional interest inventory. Next, educational test, teacher made test, planning, preparing, reproducing, administering, scoring and evaluating. Interpreting test, evaluating with the use of item analysis, effectiveness of distractors. Second, index of discrimination and third, index of difficulties. Types of teacher made test. Teacher made test are of following types. Firstly, essay type test. Second, objective type test. Multiple choice test. Multiple choice test are as STEM and option variety. The STEM serves as the problem and setting and option variety. The optional response are dependent upon the setting or foundation of some sorts. Next, group term variety consists of group of word or terms in which one does not belong to the group. Structured variety, response variety. Structured response variety make use of structured response which are commonly used in classroom testing for natural science subjects. Content option variety designed to identify errors in a word, phrases, sentence and paragraph, etc. Table of specification. It is a teacher blueprints. It determines the contents validity of the test. It is one way table that relates the instructional objectives to the course contents, and it make use of Bloom's taxonomy in determining the level of cognitive domains. Criterion and norms reference test. Criterion reference test. Criterion and norms reference test. Criterion test, or as it serves to identify on what extent the individual performance has met in a given criterion. Okay, it points out what the learner can do, not how to compares with others. It identifies weak and strong points in an individual's performance. It tends to focus on sub skills, shorter mastery teachings, and it could be both diagnostic and prognostic in nature. Norms reference test. It compares student performance with the performance of other students in the class, and it uses the normal curve in distributing grades of students by placing them either above or below the mean. The teacher main concern is the variability of the score, and more variable the score is the better because it can determine how individual differ from the other. Thank you.